The Democratic National Convention wrapping up Thursday night with Vice President Kamala Harris accepting her party's nomination for President of the United States.
I promise to be a president for all Americans. You can always trust me to put country above party and self, to hold sacred America's fundamental principles.
The moment coming just a month after President Biden announced he was dropping out of the race, leading to Harris's quick ascension to the top of the ticket. Throughout this week in Chicago, Democrats pushing the theme of unity, with the most prominent members in their party rallying behind the vice president.
America's ready for a better story. We are ready for a President Kamala Harris.
Vice President Harris going directly after former President Trump in her speech.
Donald Trump is an unserious man. But the consequences of putting Donald Trump back in the White House are extremely serious.
Many critics saying Harris's speech lacked substance. Former President Donald Trump criticizing her speech and her record as vice president.
Why didn't she do the things that she's complaining about? All of these things that she talked about, we're going to do this, we're going to do that, we're going to do everything, but she didn't do any of it. She could have done it 3.5 years ago.
Vice President Harris and former President Trump will meet for their first debate in a few weeks on Tuesday, September 10th. In Washington, Mallory Rivera, Fox News.